It's in your backpack?
Yeah, it's in my backpack. I am going?
Yes, come on, be straight. I don't even know.
Right now, yes. Right, you're on that door.
You guys need a jumper? Say that again?
It's shutting itself off, so we don't know why.
We got a
Ready to go, guys.
You gotta hit, you hit boost?
It's on neutral. Hit boost.
Oh, it says it's ready, it should be.
Okay. Neutral. What?
It just knocked it
Why
out.
would it be neutral? I don't know if you put it neutral. This is the gas station.
I jumped huge forklifts with this, like gigantic ones, with this when they had dead batteries.
Yeah, no, I believe it. Took almost all, took it down at 63%.